Anti-aging tinted moisturizer with sunscreen. Outsmart the signs of aging with this award-winning tinted moisturizer that gives skin a touch of sheer, healthy color. Formulated with a blend of 3 peptides and broad-spectrum UVA and UVB protection, it's the smart way to care for your skin. Intellishade reduces the appearance of fine line and wrinkles and gives your face a sheer, healthy color. 94% of clinical study participants experienced smoother, brighter, more even-toned skin. Moisturizes and blends naturally with the color of your skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, provides broad-spectrum UV protection, fights photodamage which causes premature aging. All skin types benefit. Data on file. Results may vary. How to use: apply evenly to face as part of the last step in your morning skincare routine. Can be worn alone or with makeup. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, see drug facts panel on packaging. Can be used with Vitamin C Lotion 15% or 30% for added antioxidant benefits. 94% of clinical study participants experienced smoother, brighter, more even-toned skin. Moisturizes and blends naturally with the color of your skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, provides broad-spectrum UVA and UVB protection, fights photodamage which causes premature aging. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.